Hello students, my name is Ms. Hernandez and today we're going to learn about Pythagorean theorem. Have any of you guys heard of a squared plus b squared equals c squared?
Yes.
Yes, okay, excellent. Well, by the end of this lesson, I hope all of you guys know what it means. Our objective for today is being able to apply Pythagorean theorem to find the sides and the angles of right triangles. Okay, the special question for today is how to determine if a triangle is a right triangle. And if it is, how do you determine the sides? So, our first vocabulary for today is right angle. You guys can see it on your paper, it's already on there. A right angle is a 90-degree angle which is located in the corner of a square or in the intersection of perpendicular lines. Okay, now, I want all of you guys to draw a right angle with your hands. With your hands or with your arms? Yes. You want like this is correct, and also if you do an L with your fingers, this is also a right angle. You have to name at least 10 things in this room that you see around that have right angles. Okay students, now I'm going to show you some examples that I found in this classroom that have right angles. As you can see, the door, it has right angles. Can somebody tell me how many right angles a door normally has?
4.
4, and where are they located?
In each corner.
Correct. Also, if you see on your paper, you also have right angles, and on the paper you also have 4 right angles. And then, can somebody tell me how many angles the U.S. flag has? And can stand up here and point out the right angles.
And it has 8. Well, no, 7. Sorry.
And where are they located?
There's one right here. 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 Here.
Excellent. Okay, our next vocabulary word is right triangle. This is a triangle that contains a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. Okay, this is a picture that you have to draw. And now I need 3 volunteers. Victoria. Okay. Victoria, I want you to tell me, is this a right triangle?
Yes.
Why? But is it a right angle?
Oh, no.
No. Correct, it's not. Chris, is this a right angle? A right triangle?
No.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have the one line straight in the other one.
The 90 degree. And then is this one?
No,
Why not?
because it doesn't have the line.
The 90 degree angle?
Yeah.
Correct. Now we're going to do an example of Pythagorean theorem. I want all of you guys to say the equation with me.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Correct. Now, I need a volunteer. Vanity, right? Oh, Vanity. Okay. I want you to count the A sides with me. How many squares is it in? Very quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay. So our A is 4. Do any of you guys know how do you square something?
What's the power?
Multiplied by 4.
So, yes. So what would 4 squared be?
16.
Yes. And why would that be?
Because 4 times 4 is 16.
Yes. Okay, now I need another volunteer. Lucia. Can you please count the B side for me?
Put it up.
Yes. How many sides is the B?
2.
How many squares?
Oh, sorry. 3? Okay.
3.
Okay, good.
Yes. And then what would 3 squared be?
3 squared. 9.
9. Yes. Okay, I need. Yeah, you can go take a seat. Okay, I need our next volunteer. Brenda. Well, first, before she counts anything, what are CBs? What side is it?
The hypotenuse.
Which is located across the
Right
triangle.
Yes. So, can you count the feet for me, please? The space. How many squares is it in length?
5.
Correct. So, what would 5 squared be?
45.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, after we add up our both sides, we get 16, 9, and 25. Now, when you guys hear a squared plus b squared equals c squared, that means that there's two different sides. There's a squared plus b squared, and there's also c squared. So if those two equal each other, that means that's the right triangle. Okay, before we get to our next example, can somebody please tell me where our hypotenuse is located at?
It's located across the line.
And what would be the measurement for our hypotenuse in this example? Okay, now that we have worked out our examples, we're going to look at some right triangles in the outside world. Okay, we already mentioned paper and doors. If you guys have ever noticed when you're driving down the street or going to the store here at school, you see the stoplights. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but they also have right angles in the corner of them. Okay, also mirrors. Who gets to see themselves in a mirror every day? I'm pretty sure all of you guys, right? And the mirrors also have right angles. And also the television. Can somebody tell me how many right angles does the television have? 4. Yes. And it's located in one of each corner. For our coping assignment, which is on your paper, you guys are gonna describe in a paragraph what is the Pythagorean theorem. You're also gonna include the formula, vocabulary such as the 90-degree angle, the right triangle, and the hypotenuse. After you're done with your paragraph, you're gonna draw a right triangle, and you're also gonna apply the Pythagorean theorem to your drawing. I really enjoyed giving today's lesson on the Pythagorean theorem. It was interesting for me. I got nervous at first, but then I started getting more confidence and it got easier. What I need to work on is to talk a little slower so my students can understand me better. I will have to look at the worksheets to see if they really understood the lesson. Thank you.